Alright guys, welcome back to video notes. Today's video notes are over dividing polynomials, but we're only going to look at when we are dividing by a monomial. So here we have a polynomial on the top. This is a polynomial. And we're dividing by a monomial. When we have that, all we do is we separate our polynomial and we're going to divide each term by the monomial. So we're going to simplify each fraction. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. X to the fourth divided by x to the fourth leaves no x's. X cubed over y cubed over y is y squared. Plus, here, this would be 4. There would be 1 x left at the bottom and 1 y left at the top. Minus 6. 2 x's left at the bottom and no y's left. So this would be our final answer. Okay. Let's look at another one. Okay, so this one is written a little differently. So we have this polynomial and then we have times this polynomial, but it's raised to the -1 power. And knowing your negative exponent properties, we know that that means that it needs to be in the denominator. So really it would be this divided by 3xy to the +1. So we're just dividing by this. 18x squared y will be divided by 3xy. 27x cubed y squared z will also be divided by 3xy. So here we'll have 3x plus 9x squared y z. Okay? So here, go ahead and try this one on your own. Pause the video and I'll show you the answers in a second. Okay? You should have gotten this answer here. Go ahead and try this one more time. Pause the video. All right. Here is the answer for this question. Let me know if you have any questions tomorrow before class.